products of Innisfree. This brand is all the way from Korea, promising you natural products that definitely help you boost your skin to give you more natural, beautiful skin.
Opportunity to be here for the Innisfree launch. I just believe that, when we were much younger and we wanted all these kind of amazing products, beauty products, skin products, we had to always travel abroad. And now everybody in Mumbai can get these products right here in Mumbai. So that's fantastic because more and more international brands are coming into India. And to have, what's beautiful about skin is that you need to preserve it. You need to take care of it, not just go for shortcuts. I have always been told that I look younger by the day and my skin glows. And I must say that because I really take good care of it. And it's all natural. And it's not about, using things which are chemically very harsh or anything like that. So products like Innisfree are more than welcome because they are 100% natural. And they actually look after your skin long term. So thank you very much, Innisfree team, and I hope you guys have a great run in India and in Mumbai, and all the very best to all of you. So definitely, as you can see, people in Mumbai love to shop. Rains can't stop them. I'm very happy to see them here today. And like I say always, there's one thing, the way, if you want to really be happy, look good and everything, you have to love yourself. You have to do something for yourself, like, use good products for your skin. Similarly, you have to stay active and do something healthy for the body. Eat healthy, work out, do something active every day, and yeah, coming back to the products again, try Innisfree out here tonight.
Now all girls have this problem. We have so many products. We take them all home and we have like a pile of them with us, So what makes Innisfree different for you as a user? Because I have the same thing. I have this really nice, Innisfree Select
100% natural. And in today's time, everything that you're getting is so loaded with so many chemicals and they're very harsh in the long run. So what you need to use is something that's going to preserve your skin. It's about long-term usage. I always believe that's my basic mantra in life, that anything that you do, it shouldn't be like just for the moment. It should have long-term effects. And I think that's what's great about Innisfree.
Shows on your skin, absolutely. So my team had an Innisfree beauty workshop and we had it at the headquarters, and they couldn't stop raving about how fresh they felt because they did this 10-step morning ritual. Now, what are the benefits?
I've not done it.
But you must know, what are the benefits of doing these rituals?
You have to invest in your skin. You can't take things for granted. So you have to give it the best and give it things, as I said, that that will look after it rather than damage it and make it just look good for the moment. So yes, morning rituals are a must, especially the business that we are a part of. We are in front of camera, lights all the time, harsh environment at times. So you need to look after yourself more.
Now you have, as a celebrity,
keep your skin moisturized well, and just put a gloss and sunglasses and you're ready. Yeah, you can tie a pony if you have a bad hair day.
That's the trick. And a fashion tip that's never failed you.
Just keep it simple. Anything simple is nice. Jeans, when in doubt, wear jeans and tee, or jeans and white shirt. Just simple, basic, and it always works.
You're always looking super fit and you're really about fitness as well. What do you snack on when you're hungry?
I snack on everything.
No, really?
Well, I've just come from Barcelona and I just ate a lot of cheese and yes, meat and seafood, and yeah, I eat a lot. I'm a total foodie, but I do work out too. But still, I just got married, so I'm still in my honeymoon phase. I've been traveling a lot and eating a lot. Yeah, but fitness is a must for me, and I definitely will get back into the shape that I want to in the next coming month. I'm so heavy, I'm wearing a 25 kg ghagra and people have to carry me. But all that while, Karan was so intense and he had tears in his eyes, and that's a tradition called Shubha Drishti. We have to look at each other after a day. And we have really been together all the time in the last 2.5 years. And this was one day of separation and then we finally got to see each other. It was very cute.
And does he have, how does he save your name in his phone?
Oh, monkey.
Monkey. I love it. You have this whole monkey thing. How
Yeah,
did
he
that
calls
start?
him monkey and I call him monkey. Yeah, both have saved it as monkey.
I love it. Okay, so we thought we'd play a little game with you. It's going to be really quick. Okay, so we're going to give you some iconic characters from Bollywood movies, and you
I'll
have to
fail.
choose
I'll fail.
one or the other. No, you don't have to answer any question. You have to pick your favorites, okay? So your favorite chocolate bar hero, is it Raj from DDLJ or Prem from Hum Aapke Hain Kaun?
Very confusing. Prem has to be because we saw Maine Pyar Kiya growing up like a zillion times.
And your favorite on-screen fashionista, is it Aisha from Aisha or Shania from Student of the Year?
You know, Shania is too young and a little kid, so it can't be my fashion icon. And they're both very cute, but I need somebody a little more mature.
Alright, your favorite bad boy, Crime Master Gogo from Andaz Apna Apna or Mogambo from Mr. India?
Crime Master Go. I love it.
Aankhein nikal ke
Gotiya
gotiya
khelunga.
Okay, your favorite Punjabi kuri, is it Geet from Jab We Met or Anjali from K3G?
Geet.
Alright, and your favorite student, Major Ram from Mehuna or Munna Bhai from Munna Bhai MBBS?
Munna Bhai, hands down.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you.
so great chatting
Thank
with
you.
you.
Thank you.
And thank you for being here today. A last message that you'd like to give everyone?
Well, keep loving me, keep supporting me. I love you guys. Mwah.